Welcome to my YouTube video focusing on the element of art, space. This is a beginner lesson. You'll need paper and a pencil. Let's have some fun. Hi, this is Laura Houston, and today we're going to have a drawing lesson, and it's going to be about the element of art, space. And this is the beginning level drawing activity. So you'll want to have a pencil and a paper, and I'm just going to start by drawing, let's see, I'll draw a circle right here. Just going to start with a circle. Now, one of the techniques that artists use to show space is overlapping. I'm going to write the word right here. Overlapping. And that can make objects look like they're going back into the distance. So you can start by drawing a circle of any size, and then I'm going to draw a square behind it. But if it helps you to kind of show, like you could draw a little bit through the circle really lightly. I'll erase that later, but we'll just draw a square like this. And you know what? Let's see, let's erase this a little bit so we don't see that part. And what we can also do is we can also kind of shade in the circle, but we want the square to look like it's behind the circle. So just shade that in a little bit. Then we have the square. And if we want to add one more shape, let's see, we can add a triangle behind the square. So I'm just going to I'm going to draw real light right there just to kind of help me see where it's going. There. We'll just do these as the dark lines right here. And then I would want to erase this. And we can shade the square in just very softly. There. Maybe just do a couple of shades on the triangle. And if we want to, we can draw a line like these shapes are maybe sitting on a table. But very simply, just by overlapping, we've shown depth, or rather the element of art, space. Another way we can do this over here, we can do this with size mixed with overlapping. And what we'll do is we'll draw a circle. And then we can draw a smaller circle behind it. So we're mixing not just overlapping, but size. So make a smaller circle. And if you need to kind of have it go through the other one just to help you draw the circle, you can. And just know that like that part will get erased. And then we'll draw one more smaller circle behind the second one. I'm just going to darken this. Okay, so if I erase those lines and shade these in, let's see how this looks. You can shade it any way you want. You can do this with a crayon. It's fun too. You could do 3 different colors. Or you could do the same color, like let's say you had blue, and just each time you color in the next circle, color it in a little bit lighter. You don't have to do that, but it kind of looks nice too. It helps with showing distance. And of course, you can add maybe a tabletop. So what we did was we started with a larger circle in front, and then a smaller circle, and then an even smaller circle. And it makes it look like these circles are stacked in order. And just like over here, it looks like these shapes are going in order from front to back, because that's what space is. Space shows depth, and it looks like there's an order going from the front of the paper to the back of the paper. So this is size and overlapping, and this was just overlapping. So you can try this with experimenting on your own at home with other shapes, or you can even draw objects, like maybe you can draw a cat or a dog, and you put them in order just like that. Thank you. If you want to learn more, click on the link in the description below the video. As always, I'd love to see your art, and I might feature it in one of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching!